Hello and welcome back to our video series on Power BI Basics and DAX. Today we're going to be talking about the switch function, which is a really cool logical function in DAX that you can use to do some fun things with measures. So let's jump into Power BI. So in my previous video, I had an if statement here for sales level, and we're going to replace this with a switch. So what a switch allows you to do is it allows you to evaluate multiple logical conditions, and then the first one that comes true, it essentially returns that value. So if I go switch right here and I give it the expression of sum of sales amount right here, and then I go all under and I go, it's, let's see, 200, right? And actually I need a comma here. So if I go, oh, and I hit enter too much. But if I go here, and I go greater or equal to 200, and then go comma here, and then the result is large, right? And if I hit OK, right here, if it's 200, it'll go ahead and it'll return large. Now, if you might notice right here, I'm having to guess the value right here. So this would mean that some sales amount would have to be something specific. So for example, if I go and I add some additional criteria here, so if I evaluate this to 300, right, and then I go extra large right here, excuse my caps, if I go extra large right here, right, it'll now populate here, but I can't go 249 and have it come back here for 250. So I could go comma here, I'll enter. I can't go 249 and have this come back as medium. Right here. So for example, right, it's not pulling any medium, but I can finally provide a else, which would be no match right here. If you look right here, it'll now go pull through and pull no match. However, what I can do is I can go and I can instead write true up here for switch, and then my value function can be an expression. So I can go sum of sales amount is, let's go greater or less than or equal to 201. Then let's return medium, else, and let's go all enter. So we'll go else, no match. Okay, and let's go all enter there and close that. So what you'll see here is that it will go through, and right here, for example, it found medium, medium, medium. So why here can I specify an expression when I format it in the other way I can't, is because it's looking for a match for true. So switch always takes the value up top, and then it looks for a match as it moves through the various criteria that you outline. So in this case, this statement will either return a true or a false. So in this case, it's returning a true for these columns, which is why it's returning medium. Similarly, I can add additional criteria here. So I could say sum of sales amount, right, and go here is less than or equal to 302. Let's call this large, right? And right here, see, now I've got large coming through. So that's switch. You now have seen kind of two different ways of using it. And I hope this video was helpful. If you're interested in Power BI or DAX, please subscribe. We're releasing short, easy to follow tutorials, one a day. So thank you for watching.